In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add geometric shapes into Google Sheets. Whether you're trying to enhance your data with a bit of visual flair or simply spruce up your spreadsheets for better presentation, adding geometric shapes can make a significant difference. Let's delve into this step-by-step guide and make sure you're well equipped to create visually appealing sheets. To kick things off, you first need to open a Google Sheet. So, if you haven't done so already, head over to your Google Drive, select the New button, and then click on Google Sheets. This will give you a blank canvas to work on. Once you have your sheet open, look towards the top of the screen and find the Insert tab. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This is your gateway to many features, including the ability to add drawings. In this menu, you'll want to select Drawing. Click on it, and a new interface will pop up, displaying a kind of mini drawing editor that lets you craft a variety of visual elements right inside your Google Sheet. Now that you're in the drawing editor, it's time to bring in some shapes. Find the button labeled Shape. Give that a click, and you'll see a plethora of options unfold before you. From basic lines to filled shapes and arrows, there's quite a bit you can do here. You'll find lists of different shape categories, but what we're interested in today are the geometric shapes. So navigate to that section, and let's give it a go by selecting a rectangle first. Click on it, and you'll be able to draw it within the editor. But we're not stopping there. Let's add more diversity to our visual elements. Repeat the same process to bring in a circle. Just go back to Shape, then Geometric Shapes, and choose Circle. You can drag and adjust it until it fits your vision. Similarly, feel free to explore and add a triangle, a parallelogram, and a pentagon. Each of these shapes can be added through the same intuitive process. Command your attention to the shape list, click your desired option, and drop it into your drawing area. After you're satisfied with your selection and arrangement of geometric shapes, the final, unmissable step is to click Save and Close. This button can be found at the top right corner of the drawing interface. Doing this ensures that all your efforts aren't lost, and your newly added shapes appear right back on your spreadsheet. And there you have it. By following these simple procedures, you can enrich your Google Sheets with geometric shapes, providing clarity and emphasis where numbers alone might fall short. Whether you're highlighting data or just aiming for a polished look, these visual enhancements can be a game changer for your analytical presentations.